Hey guys, I'm here to do another little, not an anime review, but a review on something. Me and my dad just got back home from Target, and I got a Hunger Games figurine thing. And what it is it's one of those boxes where you can't see through it, and you get a figurine. You have the options between Peeta, Gale, and Katniss, but then again it says collect all 27 figurines. So I might get someone else. I don't know who, but I don't know. That's the whole thing about it. And then I want to do that. And also, if you didn't know, I do like Hunger Games. I do like Hunger Games, and also I got a Angry Birds wristband. That's the wrong way. I also have a Angry Birds wall poster up there. See, and a panda and some of my drawings. And I'm probably gonna do all my videos like this from now on, my computer videos at least, because I have my manga back here. By the way, and I got two more. No, I got one. I got one more. So I'm done wrap. Let's see what I got. Put you in the box. It's taped shut, so. Is it helping me at all? Oh, should play with scissors. Let me see what I got. Who in the world is this? Is this Brew? No. What? Oh, it's Katniss. It's Katniss with the cape. I think. I hope. Yeah. It's Katniss, I'm pretty sure. Maybe it's someone else. Maybe it's Peeta. Maybe it's Rue. I thought it was Rue at first. I think it's Katniss. I think it's Katniss with her flame dress. I'm pretty sure, I hope. This says 12 on it, and I'm... Okay, well, I don't know who the fuck this is. I'm pretty sure it's Katniss. What do you think? So yeah, I'm probably gonna put it right here, right, maybe up there with my anime figurines. So yeah, that's the little review on it, and this was like 3 something at Target. I just thought I'd do a little video of it. Okay, guys, bye.